Typography shapes the identity of your Shopify store and influences how customers perceive your brand. Beginning January 2025, Shopify will revamp its font library with exciting new open-source options. Discover 32 new fonts, including modern favorites like Inter, Space Grotesque, and Playfair Display. Why opt for open-source fonts? They're not only free but also designed for optimal web performance. Open-source fonts offer flexibility, ensuring you find the perfect style that resonates with your brand. Unfortunately, some familiar fonts like Josephine Sans and Pacifico will be retired. Will you adapt? Choosing the right font helps to maintain your store's aesthetic and ensures a seamless shopping experience. Consider your brand personality in typography: serif for elegance, sans serif for modernity and clarity. Strategically pairing fonts can enhance your overall design, the key to a coherent visual experience. With out-of-the-sandbox themes, customize typography effortlessly, showcasing Shopify's exciting new offerings now.